is Rex not taking my calls? He also has to tell me the reason why he was not present at the board meeting which he was supposed to chair. What if I was not there? And to make matters worse, I've been calling him since morning. He is not taking his call. Anyway, let me get home first.
This life sweet, oh. Hey, since when I can come back from America? That's also enjoyment. That's also jolly. I can come in. Order for my boy. I say yes, sir. Order for I say yes, sir. I say enjoy your life. Enjoy anything you want. Let me know. I say I want here. I know say na madam. I know say na madam, but right now. Madam, why now? Why now? Madam, welcome, ma. Madam, welcome, ma. Now buy something, open good. Welcome, ma.
What is going on in my compound?
Madam, welcome, ma. Madam, nothing is going on. I was just here minding my drink, minding my business, ma. Yes, ma.
So what kind of stupid, useless answer is that?
Madam, I'm sorry. I no go answer that stupid, useless answer again.
Just sorry for yourself.
Thank you, ma, for being sorry for me.
Why they always they lie? Eh? Why be say you like lying?
Where you from come? You there for this house, they form say you be chef, ancient and modern. You don't dey reach 79 years old. Come out, go outside, make you go find husband. Even if say na Belgium, direct Belgium, you go
Come
get.
on, shut up. Look at you. Ordinary gate man insulting me.
MD, managing director.
Who give you MD? Be careful with me. Nonsense.
You dey here they cook poison. See what you wear for hair, say na wig. What will they use do masquerade for our village? Now to get to again and begin the knack for you now. You don't finish. Echidimma kwala nwa n'azụ onye ga-agwa m ife aga m. Sariki binabo, ibinabo, sariki binabo. Oh! Oh my dear. 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 Oh.
Bring them out, I don't see you. What did happen here?
What do you see?
Bring that beer out, I don't see you. So when I beer you dey here, they drink. Eh, Odegba, you know what? I am going in there to tell madam say you dey here, they drink beer.
What is your problem?
Now you be my problem.
Now frustration, let me be your
Now
problem.
I go kill you, that frustration, I go kill you.
you.
Now I go kill you. Useless man.
Fatima, wetin concern you say I dey drink beer? Beer wey oga pikin see me finish, you say, Odegba,
Shut up.
intelligent smart security officer. Take this one and chill.
Hey.
Now where you won't go tell madam? I go tell madam.
Intelligent.
No, go tell madam.
No do we be like you and I be intelligent. See Shebi they talk to me anyhow. No problem. I know how to handle you. I know what I go do you. You see you? Shebi na me we be Fatima. Now you they talk to. No wahala.
Yeah, Fatima, eh? Where you go marry?
Eh?
Yes. Where you go marry? Because if say you marry, this pepper body where you dey get, you no go dey get am.
Na me the fellow they talk to.
You don't overpass menopause.
Hey. Na me when Fatima they talk to. Look at this stupid ordinary get man they talk to me anyhow. Na me they mock say which time I go marry. I don't blame you. I go show you paper for this company. Now shake the bands that you go collect for my hand. You see you, I will finish you. Don't worry.
Finish her.
Don't worry.
Just tell me say you dey eye me. Just tell me say you dey eye me. That's your problem. You call yourself cook, you dey cook nonsense, they cook poison. Food where they cook, we no fit give am dog. If we give am dog now, they go carry and go dog hospital. You dey eye me, but I'm unavailable. I don't do sugar mommy. Even if say I dey do sugar mommy, no, it no fit be you. Fatima, I am unavailable. You no go see me. As far as I'm with you, oh my dear, I will always be happy. Oh my dear, oh my dear.
This is 12 a.m. and my son is yet to be back. What kind of lifestyle is this boy living? I should have listened to my sister when she asked me to send this boy abroad after the burial of my husband. But I thought staying over in the country would have been better and good for him. Look at it now. Look at it. I made a big mistake.
Now you're here.
Fatima, my son is not yet back. Just look at the time.
Ma, he will come safely. You know the kind of person he is.
Why must my son be this way? Why is he living this kind of lifestyle? What have I not done in order to make sure he becomes a better person and live a good life?
Ma, you have tried your best. Why not leave the rest to God to handle? Please stop thinking.
Fatima, you seem not to understand. You're forgetting something. Rex is my only son, my only child. What if something happens to him out there? What do I do?
Nothing will happen to him. Ma, please, you can go to bed. I will stay here and wait for him, so I can open door for him whenever he returns. Please.
No way. I'm worried. I can't eat. I can't sleep. I will stay here and wait for him till he comes back. You can sit your ass here and join me if you want.
Okay, ma'am. Let me go inside the kitchen and finish what I was doing. I will right back, ma'am.
Rex. Rex, you will not kill me. I won't die because of you.
dancing. Now your birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Sorry, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
My mom, sir.
What kind of madness is this, Rex? What madness? Get up! You disgusting thing.
Mom, easy on your daughter-in-law to be. Show some love and respect, man. This is my wife to be.
I like your wig.
That's for sure.
I'll fire you for what liking my wig.
Mom, I said this is my wife to be. Show some respect.
Young girl, have I ever told you that I don't want to set my eyes on you in this compound anymore? Have I told you that? No, ma, no. You've had it now.
Mom, you can't be doing this. One, you're embarrassing me. Two, I'm telling you that this woman is my wife to be. You're not even respecting or hearing what I'm saying. You're asking how?
Rex, take this thing out of my compound.
Babe, let's go inside. Don't worry.
No. Your mother doesn't want me inside.
I said let's go in now. Let's go. Are you serious?
Does it look like I'm joking? You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Why?
Take her out of here now.
All right. Babe, let's go back to the hotel. Hop in.
Rex!
Read my lips. I will never come back here again until you accept her as your daughter-in-law. Enjoy the house.
Rex! Come back here!
Open the gate, you idiot!
Okay, sir.
Rex! Ojaba!
Okay, sir.
Odeba. Come here.
He said you should close the gate and go and lie down.
Odeba, I said come here.
Sorry.
Why did you open that gate?
Ma,
Why did you open that gate?
Hey!
Huh? Why should you do that?
Today is slapping day.
Will you get inside?
Thank you. He said I should go and lie down. See in the parlor and meet in the room. Today is just slapping day. Some days are bad days. Today is the worst day. Oh, everything I was everything I slap. This it don't tire me. Oh.
Quiet now, don't shoot.
Rex, you think I'm a fool? You think I'm just one prostitute you can sleep with and just ditch like that? Oh, you think it's all about money? I want you. But all you do is to sleep with me in the hotel and take Tracy home. Oh, she's the one that is good to take home, right? Huh. Tracy, Rex is mine and mine forever. Nobody can take him away from me, not even you, Tracy. Not even you. What's nobody? Nobody.
Babe, what's up? What's up? Oh my God.
Hi.
Oh, I'm good.
Welcome.
Thank you, darling. You are brazen and crushing. Enjoying yourself. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Rex won't kill me with love. You needed to see what he told his mother about me.
Really?
Yes. He had the guts to tell his mother, say, if no be Tracy, forget marriage. Babe, my head they blow. Who I be? I dey happy like this.
Good for you.
Oh,
I'm
darling.
happy for you.
Oh, thank you. Babe, I get another hot gist. We go blow your head. But I won't go bath. Make I go freshen up. Make I cool my temper. My head they hot. My brain they hot. I won't go inside. I they come.
Okay.
I they come. Let's see the drink, sir. I they come. Hey.
Tracy, you are trading on a dangerous path, and I am going to surprise you.
Who is that? I dey come. I just dey romance the gate, knock small. If no be say I come up, I no go even hear you. You go knock there tire. Let's just dey knock, dey romance the gate. I don't come. Hey.
Hi. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm here to see Rex. He's aware that I'm coming.
So you mean say my oga no say you dey come?
Yes.
I no trust you, make I confirm.
Come on now. I said he is aware that I'm coming.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Good afternoon. I'm here to see Rex.
Size is just they speak correct English for this song. If they join now and pronoun together. Good afternoon. I'm here to see Rex. He's aware I'm coming.
I have to lie to him so that he can let me in.
The crab adjust this. They follow straight line. Pronoun and noun together. A better person. Yeah.
Alright, when is this? I'm coming back.
Hi, Red.
What's up, chica? How are you?
I'm good.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So, what do I offer you?
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Yeah.
Fatima. Fati Bom Bom. Is she eating? Who knows?
I'm here, sir.
Were you eating?
No, sir.
Thank God. Red wine be fine?
Yeah.
Sweet or sour or anyone?
Sweet and sour.
Okay. Get 2 glasses of red wine.
Yes, sir. Please, red wine.
Sweet or sour?
So, what's up with you?
Well, I'm blessed and balling, as you can see. Just chilling at home.
Can see you're really doing well for yourself.
Wait, you dey crazy? You want poison us? Bring the drink now. Why is it taking too much time? Why the delay? You want poison us?
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Hey! Azupulu, Pulu! Thank you for joining us. Tap, tap, tap. Hey! Shut up, so they talk. Tap, tap, tap. Give me a gifter, give me a gifter. Follow and follow me. Follow and don't follow me. Follow and don't follow me. Hey! Chicken, I see you. Follow and don't follow me. Unfollow me, unfollow me, unfollow me. Move it out. Alright.
It's me.
I will join you people soon. Yeah.
It's me.
Let me go and warm my car. Let me warm my car. Ah. Move it out.
I am here to see Rex.
Ah, rest.
Abeg, wait. Hold on. They no dey rush this compound. They no be rush hour be this. You wan come see my oga? Abeg, oga no say you dey come.
What sort of nonsense question is that? Do you want to lose your job? Don't try it next time.
Wait. Me wey be permanent staff for this compound. Permanent digital staff. If not be say I don't get 13 million followers for my gifts and TikTok account, I for just sama you now.
Those people following your TikToks, they are stupid as you are. Don't try it next time. Do you hear me?
No wonder you be like this. You just look like stupid.
Idiots. Fool.
We no get respect. Huh? We no get respect. If say na when I still dey secondary school, they can't give me assignment, say everybody go home and draw stupid. I go just snap you, carry you go give my auntie. I go get 100/100.
I am back. My car, you know. Sorry, my viewers, my families and friends. I am chatting from Kenya. Forget the background, you know.
Nice wine. Yeah, I love it. You look so cute this afternoon. What is the secret?
I have always been a cute guy. So why is this afternoon special?
Well, there's something different about you this afternoon?
Maybe it's because you came around.
Stop it. Babe?
Yeah?
There's something I want to tell you about my friend Tracy. It's a top secret about her family background.
What's my business with that though?
What is going on here? Chika! You told me we are going to see a friend. What are you doing here? What is it?
Am I not in a friend's place? Is Rest not my friend too?
Rest is not your friend. He is not your friend! Baby, tell her to leave this house immediately.
They don't born you where? They don't born you where to tell me make I come out for this house. Are you mad? Are you okay?
Hey, you guys should calm down.
Calm down for what? You invited my friend over to your house. Plus you don't care about me anymore. And you are leaving this house immediately.
You lie. You have no right to order me out of this house. Rest is my man.
Look, I have every right to order you out.
I said you have no right. Rest is my man
Rest
too.
is my man.
You should go.
You're leaving this. You're leaving this.
Hey,
Rest is my man.
You're leaving
You
this.
should go.
Calm down.
Rest is my man. You're a betrayer. You're a betrayer. You're leaving this.
No.
Animals. You're idiots. Come on. You betrayer! Eh? You're a betrayer! Putting my hands on you!
Don't do this kind of thing here. Hello, gifters. We are here live. This time, rest class.
What is this? What is going on here? And what are you recording? Who are these mad people?
Mommy,
good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma. Welcome, ma. My friend.
Who are they?
Madam, they are just entertaining us. They are wrestling. Sorry.
Mommy.
They are wrestling.
Will
Will you get out of my get out from my compound immediately? Get out! And I don't want to see any of you in my house again. Did you hear me? I don't want to see any of you in my house again. Whatever, take them out of here.
All correct, ma'am. Madam,
Out!
the show is over. This way. Let's go to Village Square. Hello, ma'am.
Mad people.
Village Square. To continue the match.
Just imagine. Rex!
Move.
Betrayer! You're a betrayer! Tell me what you
Men
are
are not
doing.
the doing here. Men are doing here.
Eh? You are not the come through. Leave me alone. This case is between us. I don't want to. Let's go.
Welcome, Mom.
Rex, what was the meaning of that stupid drama outside?
What are you talking about?
Those girls fighting outside, who are they?
Oh.
Have I not warned you never to allow such people inside this compound?
Mom, it's not my fault. Those are my visitors. They came. They started fighting. I tried to separate them, but they wouldn't listen. So who am I? I felt they wanted to exercise a little bit, so let them have fun.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. I can't even believe I'm the one that betted you. How? How could you believe in this way? See, let me just warn you. Next time I see those girls in here, I will get them arrested. And I'm not joking.
Arrested? Mom's your blood to the horns. Calm down now. This is a normal thing that happen for life. Two girls fight, you won't be arrested. Leave them, I beg.
Rex, I am not joking. Next time it happens, you will see what I will do. I must arrest them. What nonsense.
Are they still fighting though?
How to answer that?
Onye made you about an Madam is your
Why are you throwing my things out? What have I done? You are leaving my house. Yes, I have harbored you enough. Leave.
Chika, you are the one that betrayed me here. Yet you are mad at me. Can you stop this nonsense? Can you stop already?
Madam, is friendship by force. I said, leave my house, pack your things and leave my house. I don't want again. I don't do again. I don't want any more. Leave.
You want me to leave your house?
Yes.
It's okay, fine. I am leaving your house for good. You are not my God. I can survive without you. I am leaving. Rubbish.
So why are you still speaking English? Madam, get your things and get out of my house. And stop speaking grammar. Get out!
Oh! Yes. I know what is biting you. I know. Read my lips. Rest is mine forever. And ever. You can never have him. Read my lips.
I bet you can never, ever have rest. Rest is mine and mine forever. Nobody can have it, not even you. Ungrateful bastard idiot.
Let's bet it. You can have, let's bet it.
What am I even still doing here with you? I want to go in there and pack your remaining things. I want you to get the hell out of my house.
Get
you
in there. Get my remaining things.
Fool, idiot.
Let me leave this sticking house.
Ungrateful idiot.
Fool.
Animal.
Let it sticking place. Betrayer. Who even want to be with you? I'm just begging you because I don't know where I'm going. Idiot. Fool. Get my things, please. Get my things. You are a betrayer. Fool. I am leaving your house.
Is this how I'm going to make it in this life? Everything I lay my hands on always crumble in one way or the other. Rex, my friend, has refused to help me. He's ready to throw away his money, but he cannot help his fellow man. Odemwa. He would rather give all the money to his numerous girlfriend. This night again, he's throwing another party. Yeah, hello Rex. I'm at home. Yes, I'm coming. Let me wait after today, and he didn't lend me some money. I will not have anything to do with him again. I will not. How can I be your friend and you cannot help me financially? You prefer spending your money, lavishing your money, spraying your money, giving out your money to girls. But you cannot help me, your friend.
It's living It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
Why is she not taking my call? What is giving her such guts? Anyways, I know where to catch you. Come in.
Please, I'm sorry for the disturbance. Don't be angry.
Sorry for your miserable self. What are you still doing around this vicinity? I asked you to leave this house.
I'm very sorry. Please, I'm sorry for everything. Please, forgive me.
Listen, I am not interested in you and I will never be interested in you. So stop pushing it. Go and meet my mother. Leave my room.
But I love you.
Now that love will kill you. I don't love you in return. My friend, get out of my room.
Please, just forgive me. I truly love you. I swear to God. Please.
My friend, get out of this place. If I come down, you are dead. Leave this. Are you sick?
Mommy.
Rex, stop this. If this girl does not love you, she will not be here. Forget about what happened and give her a chance in your life. She's a nice girl. Bikono.
Listen, be careful around here. I don't love her. I am not interested in her. I don't want her. I see her as a dust bean. So let her get out. She loves me fine and good, but I don't love her in return. Is that supposed to be a problem?
Rex, Biko, please. For my sake, marry her.
Okay.
You will not regret it.
Beautiful. Marry her. She's a nice girl. You love her so much. You want her for me, Abi? Marry her. I'm telling you, I don't want her. You're forcing a woman on me at this time and age. It's unfair now. You people are making me look as if I'm a wicked guy. I am not interested in you. Get lost.
Rex. Rex, this girl is a nice girl. Please, my son. I am your mother. I will not mislead you. Give her a chance in your life.
Mommy, marry her.
Rex. Hey.
Please just help me, I'm begging. Help me, I'm begging.
It's okay. Just get up. Get up. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
I love sir.
Let's go. Get up. It will be well. It's okay. Rex, I want you to know that apart from this girl, I will not allow any other girl in this house. I want you to have it at the back of your mind. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of life.
Okay, fine. Where exactly are you? No, I'm waiting for my car. I'll see you 20 minutes. Okay. Bye.
Excuse me. Hello? So you are the so-called Chantel? And who the hell are you? Good question. I am Chika, Rex's girlfriend. The guy Ugo arranged you for. Let me warn you. Stay clear from my man. Rex is my man.
It's obvious you're on cheap drugs, but are you high right now or something?
You are the one who is high on cheap drugs. Be warned. Do not dare me.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Of course I know who I am talking to. I am talking to a cheap whore.
Okay. You know what? I will show you what this cheap whore can do in no distant time. I won't drag a man with you. I'll just simply fix you.
Dare me. and face the consequences. Cheap whore.
You should try using perfume at times. Cheap whore.
Where did they even get them from?
Easy now.
Hi.
Hello, wait. Wait.
What do you mean I should wait? Are you out of your mind? Why are you telling me to wait?
Wait. Madam, Queen's English. Okay, because I dey speak Queen's English, me I dey speak King's English. Right now, I want to tell you that this place is my territory and you are an intruder. You are intruding. Yes.
I can see you are fed up with your job. Will you get out of my way before I do something you will regret? Get out!
You push me. Make I switch her to King's English.
You push me. Hey, you come back here. Will you come back here before we do you smack down right now?
Join her with one blow. You're gonna cry right now. Go back.
I don't have time for non-entity like you.
When you're an entity, let me get it. Will you see here? This is your wig now sponge. Come back here. Eh? See what? Let me the insult. See what you wear. If I leave you, you're mad. You woman. I'm not you. You're mad.
Leave my part. You're looking for my trouble. Leave my part.
Leave trouble.
Leave my part.
See here? I go.
Leave my part.
I go use you do training, no? Eh?
Leave my part.
Make this your sponge, don't touch me. Eh? Now me be the trouble. You don't see trouble.
Leave my part, this guy.
You don't see trouble today.
What is that noise for? What is it?
Madam, thank you. Thank God you are here. Madam, I don't keep person here. No. Your people for don't they prepare for burial. But thank God, just thank Madam. You don't know me?
Good afternoon, ma.
Young lady, who are you?
Ma, I am Brett's girlfriend. I came to see him to know how he's faring. But this idiot here is embarrassing himself, not me.
Madam, you know me too well. You know say I be hot-tempered person. You know say I be quick best. I swear to God, if you call me idiot again, I'll go kill you now and forget my job. I go just kill you. No. Madam, one more.
Young lady.
God bless you, man.
Did you say you are Rex's friend?
Yes, ma.
Yes. It's like I've seen this face before. You are among those girls I asked not to step their feet into my compound again. Are you not?
Ma?
Magini, you want to lie? No, you want to lie. Oh, yeah, lie, make I see now. Eh? Don't lie, Madam don't catch you today. Don't lie. Don't, mama.
Young lady, you heard me well. Answer my question.
Yes, but...
But what? You still get mind. You still get mind. You want to open your mouth and lie. But what? You want to lie?
Ma, with all due respect, can you tell this guy to shut up? Let me talk.
Odeba.
Ma?
Allow her to talk.
Madam, if you not so make her no talk, no problem, I no go talk. But if you see this guy is very dangerous. A liar and a dangerous girl equal to Delilah. Now Delilah supposed to be a name.
Young lady, I do not want you to step your feet into this compound again. Did you hear me? Let this be the first and last time you come here. Out of my compound! Right now!
Ma, please, can I say something?
You cannot
please?
say anything. Eh? Obey the last order.
You heard me quite well. Out of my compound right now. Odeba.
Ma?
Make sure you lock the gate after her.
All correct, ma.
Please, hear me out.
Hey.
Ma, please.
Nobody will hear you. Nobody will hear you right now.
Madam, respect yourself. Madam say, leave this compound. Leave my compound. My compound is my compound, you know.
If you touch me, I go show you how be where you're mad. If you touch me, ma!
Yeah.
Madam, increase my salary. Come on, help me.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Madam. Thank you.
Should I sabi the job?
Madam, I need to take a leave. My waist. Madam, don't do like say no, they hear me. I need to take a leave.
Hey, yeah. It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do.
Where are you headed?
Where I'm headed, it's my business.
Why are you being hard?
You know what? Go back home to your mother. Go meet the woman she's arranged for you to marry.
And who told you I want to marry her?
Trust me, your mother has spoken, and so shall it be.
Stop sounding childish. My mother is not the chief judge of my life. She can't choose a wife for me.
You're the one who is sounding like a kid. I've just told you to let me be, so why don't you want to do that? Let me be, for God's sake.
Can you drop this drama and listen to me? You don't even know why I'm here. What's your problem? My mother cannot choose a wife for me, so hear me out first. What's your problem now? As a woman, you can do shakara, but don't overdo it. I don't have such time.
Whatever. Excuse me.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. He don't wanna do anything to help his
Why would she talk to me in that manner? Eh? No, she thinks she is. I'm so angry.
Babe, you are back. Did you see him?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine his mother threw me out of the compound?
What? Why?
Tracy, I have never been this embarrassed in my life. Can you imagine his mother talking to me in such manner?
So, what are you going to do now?
Huh? Nobody can stop me. Not even his mother. After all that guy has done to me, do you know how many times we've done it? After this guy has slept with me, turned me around, and he thinks he can leave me. No, never. Rex is my man. Not even his mother can stop us. I'm going to have him.
Only one person can stop you. You'll be shocked to know who that person is.
Rex is my man, and I will do whatever it takes to get him.
Rex is your man. If he doesn't marry you, both of us, we are going to show him pepper.
Exactly.
Different types of pepper.
Exactly.
He has not even seen anything yet.
I understand though.
You have my full support. You're my
mother
friend.
from nowhere.
All I want is your happiness. That's all.
Nah, Chigo, what's up with that babe, sef?
What happened now?
I dey talk to this girl, she dey give me tough time. What did they bring that nonsense? Tell me everything what you know about that babe.
Right, sorry, sir, I not tell you. See that girl, the papa, the mama, the siblings, everybody they stay abroad. She even came back from abroad. So you know, say her brain never too they used to Nigeria.
Okay, because na Yankee babe, na make she dey misbehave. From here to London, na 6 hours. Yankee far. You think they bring that nonsense? Now what do you make her dey misbehave? What do you make her dey misbehave? Na one go na visi baka baka. Na one go na visi baka baka. I don't say you be babe, do your shakara, but no overdo am.
I understand, but Rex, you have to be taking it easy on her.
Yeah, you be fool.
Take it easy on her.
Who don't be taking it easy? I dey talk with your support girls, they say take it easy on her. If na by bar, see her papa money they learn for where my papa money dey. Our family money choke. No go there.
Rex, I don't understand. Where is this one coming from?
No, but you be fool now.
You guys, are you in competition with her?
No, you don't get sense. Because I dey talk to you, the support girl go be stranger. You dey mad.
She's a lady.
And so? Is she the first lady?
You should learn how to endure something.
Now this thing make you no make money. You're very, very stupid. You are very, very. This is why you are poor. We go drink finish, I go pay. I dey talk say girl dey fuck up. They tell me say I should calm down for here. You are lecturing me on how to treat her.
Rex, you're insulting me. Where is this one coming from?
Thank God say I don't slap you. You don't pass to collect insult. Are you rich? As you die alive now, what do you get? Car you no get. 1 naira no dey account. I dey talk. In fact, get out of this place. I'm wasting my time.
Is that why you don't want to
on a non-entity? I go jam you, idiot. How you gonna support stranger? Later, you go drink finish, I go pay. If you don't come out there, I go jam you, idiot. Odewa. Odewa. Where are you coming from?
Okay, sorry, sir. They do something for backyard. I beg, no verse. No verse.
How many times have I warned you never to leave your duty post?
Okay, you know to me like that, but you don't plenty. Hey, okay.
See, if you stress me, I will bring my gun and I will shoot you.
Okay.
Kneel down here.
Okay,
to correct you with word.
Okay, sir.
Don't they enter.
Okay, sir.
I say if you stress me, I will shoot you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. Kneel down here. Don't get me angry. I go inside, I'll bring my pump action and you are gone.
Okay,
Kneel down.
Okay, baby.
You know that
Okay,
Rest. You can't
Okay, Rest.
Come back here.
Okay, baby. Rex, do you want to kill him? Okay.
Come back here.
Eh?
I said come on.
Madame. Rex.
Kneel down there.
Okay. Rex. Hey. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Kneel down there.
Madam. Hey. Aya. Okay, the mosquito. Okay, the mosquito. Okay, the mosquito.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Say blood boy so.
Okay.
Kneel down.
Madam.
Now my mama, if you die, go better and wear money day. Kneel down.
Okay.
Kneel down. It's my mother. I better money is intact. If you move, stay there. Stay there.
God bless you.
How many times have I warned you? Never leave your duty post.
Oh, yeah,
Come back here.
Yes, sir.
I'm not fear. You are stressing my voice. I will pay you salary yet. I will be shouting to call you.
Okay, I'm asking you.
Kneel down there. Kneel down there.
Hey. Okay, I'm asking you. Hey. Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg you. Hey, who go here? Madam. Hey, madam, I beg you now. Hey.
What happened?
Yeah. Now, go.
Mommy.
I survived my own.
What happened?
Now, by God's grace, I survived my own. Now, my mama prayer for village, now save me. Hey. Okay. Hey. My mama prayer for village, now help me survive my own. Hey. Madam, I beg. Madam, if na prank, I beg. We don't stop. If na prank, I beg, stop. Oh.
Your mom is lying on the ground. Your mother is lying on the ground, lifeless. Please, we need to go.
Are you serious? Is that why you barged into my room without knocking?
I don't know how to drive. Odegba doesn't know how to.
You see that thing you've been looking for? I will give it to you today.
Please, Jesus Christ. Leave me alone. Jesus Christ.
If I hear him,
please, I'm sorry.
If I hear him,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If I hear him, I will strangle you to death. If I hear him, I will strangle you to death.
I beg you, please. Please, I beg you, please. Your mom is outside on the ground.
Go.
Please, I beg you.
Mira, you dey shout for help.
Hey! Me like the shot! No, no, go. Not be me go help you. Not be me go help you. Hey! Who be that? Who they knock for gate? I beg, go back. For your own good, oh, go back. There is fire on the mountain. Madam, I beg. Hey! They knock for gate. Me like the shout. Me, I need help too. Me, I need help, oh. Hey! Madam, how did they take check the person who don't die? Madam, how did they take check the person who don't die?
For barging into my room unannounced, I'll be raping you every 1 hour.
Please, just don't tie me, please. Please don't tie me, please.
Please.
Please,
Shut up.
Go.
Shut up. Now, what did they do for my room? Later, you say they rape you. Why you enter here, you no knock? Are you my roommate? Every 1 hour, you go to collect till tomorrow morning. Next time, you don't barge in on people like me. I'm off here.
Please, just let me go, please.
Who goes there? Who goes there?
Help!
Will you shut up?
Help me!
Come in.
Help me! Please.
Steve. Shut up! Oh. What's going on here? This idiot barged into my room without knocking, so I've been raping her since.
Rex, come on now. You don't have to treat her like that. Be human for once. Why now?
It's not my fault now. Is she my roommate?
Even at that. Be human for once. Okay, fine. Listen. Your mother is downstairs. She's unconscious from the hard push you gave to her. Okay? Let's rush her to the hospital now before something bad happens to her.
That's more touch. She's still like down there. My mom is a pretender. She's an actress. She's fine. She's just pretending.
Listen, Rex. I'm serious. We need to take her to the hospital.
Don't waste your time on my mom. She's a pretender. Small push. She just lie down for ground. Oh, you're up one year.
You shouldn't have done this to her now. Just tie her hands and come on. She's not a slave. You know what? Let me rush back to your mom. I'll get back at you.
Leave my mother. She pretends a lot. Stop talking. Come on.
I'm begging you.
Shut up. I said shut.
Why are you doing this to me? Just leave me. I want to go. Please, I want to go.
Next time, before you enter my room, no.
Please. Let me go. I want to go.
Are you telling me the truth?
What do you mean if I'm telling you the truth? Well, I was shocked myself. I didn't believe what Rex did to her. Man, that one guy really fucked up.
So what did you do finally?
What do you expect me to do? I had to rush the woman to the hospital with a cab. Like when I got to the hospital, you know what? They refused to even treat her without deposit. She had to deposit all the money that I have on me so they could commence treatment with her. You know what? Before I left the hospital, she was responding to treatment. Yeah, that's right.
Same woman that threw us out of our house.
Yeah, that's true. But you see, Rex is giving that woman tough time. Bro, our guy, they worry that woman well.
Give her tough time. So what about the girl he tied on his bed?
I don't know. I left both of them in the room. I had to just, my major concern was the mom. So I had to just rush her to the hospital. So I don't know what he did with the girl. Yeah, you know what, guy, I need to hurry to somewhere, okay? I'll catch up with you later. Yeah, normal level, man.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing will come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
I don't understand what they happen for this house. Eh? We can never come out. Now wow, when are they tell Oga friend say, no be by muscle, no be by gragra, I think say I dey joke. Now see am, all of them they inside. I don't understand though. I go just run come up for this house. I don't understand though. Who be that? Who you be? Your voice be like old woman. Who you be? Tell me.
Odeba, please give me 200 now. Let me settle Keke man where carry me. If I go inside, I'll collect from madam and give you.
I know gates. You will collect for which madam?
Madam now.
Madam where dey hospital?
What's madam go do for hospital?
Fatima, what did they do for hospital? No, madam go in the swim. Now for swimming pool now. Jacuzzi. Now they for hospital. Eh? I thought you say madam.
Oh, yeah, give me 200 naira. Make I settle Keke man where carry me.
Where you go this morning? You sure say the market you go?
I don't understand. What do you mean by where I go this morning? Okay, what do you say madam go hospital go to safe?
If you go inside now, you go ask Madam Pekin. Ask her, Madam Pekin, what did your mama they do for hospital? You go come answer you where? Oh?
I bet ma go inside.
Come settle Keke man. I don't want to make
come on here.
I talk am. All those papa where they do shoemaker, now there they go relax. Say you they go market.
Mira, what happened? Where is madam? Why are you walking like this? Mira, talk to me. What happened? Mira, what happened to you? Talk to me now. Why are you crying? Mira, what is it? Mira, talk to me now. Why are you crying? What happened? Hey. Why are you crying? Talk now. Mira. What happened to you?
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He's in love with high life. He's so much drowning in it. He's in love with the girls, but cannot get one for himself. What kind of human? He is so wayward. What kind of human? He's something else. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash, flash. It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
Fatima. I don't say that this useless Fatima now can open her. As this my body they play me, like say you like her. Fatima.
Which hospital you say madam went?
I don't know. Fatima, no be open the gate.
Odegba, answer me. I say which hospital? They tell me gates. Which hospital madam go to?
I don't know.
You don't know. Which one be say you don't know? Answer me. Joma carry food go give my madam Biko.
Me too. I need to go to hospital. I dey hungry too. I don't know the hospital where madam go.
They craze. Be like say they craze.
But you know the hear what? Gossip me. Gossipers of life. Their neighbor. I will lay curse on you, my friend. Come here. Kneel down.
Me too.
Okay, sorry.
What were you people gossiping about?
Sir, I was asking him which hospital madam went to. And I said he's sick.
Hospital?
Yes.
Madam, I don't understand what's going on.
Oga, na that day, na that time where you come push and where you come for. As you come for, Oga Steve come carry am, come go hospital. But I don't know the hospital where he carry am go.
That little for which you call your
Okay, my big form.
That's small for 9 days, you know the hospital. It's like she likes food. Small something, she don't lie down. Anyway, now get back to your duty post and stop gossiping. All you do is eat and gossip. You, Halele, Giwa, Ngwa. All you do is eat and gossip. I don't want to hear you're pregnant in this house, idiot.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle. A playboy lifestyle, yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his son life. He is a wayward.
Yes, please allow her. She has been sleeping since she gained consciousness. The man who brought her here left since afternoon and has not returned. Please, who are you to her? Her daughter-in-law. Oh, okay. You have to follow me to the doctor's office. He would like to have some word with you. Okay, that's fine.
Flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash. It's enough with her life. It's so.
Wait. What are we doing here? Calm down and come with me. You are with me. How can you tell me to calm down when we are in this desert? Eh? How can you tell me to calm down? Look at... Just take a good look at where we are. Bring down your voice. This place is very dangerous. Please. This place is dangerous and you're telling me to calm down. But, Cheka, it seems you're not ready for this. Come with me. Come. I don't know what you are doing here. Come with me. Hey.
If you move, I shoot.
Juga, it's your girl Tracy. Juga, I brought business for you.
What kind of business?
She will explain everything to you.
I think you should allow me to handle this situation by myself.
Sheka, trust me. I can't mislead you. Those guys are professionals. They are good. I don't do business with basket mouth guys. No. You would have messed things up if you had followed your plans. Thank God you listened to me.
Tracy, are you sure? Because me, I'm scared though. I heard that arrangement like this, when it goes wrong, it always backfires on the person that employed them. Because me, I don't want problem. Just allow me to do it my own way. I can handle this. I got it.
Entertain no fear, my dear friend. Look, by this time tomorrow, that idiot, that bitch will be out of your way and you'll have rest all to yourself. I am so happy for you already, my friend.
I can't wait for this whole thing to be done. I can't wait for that girl to go down. I can't wait for that cheap whore, that prostitute to just go down. I can't wait. I want that girl out of my way. Can you imagine a cheap whore coming from nowhere to take my man, my own rest? It's not possible. I can't wait for her to go down.
It will surely come to pass, and I will fix you after everything. Rest is mine and mine alone.
Does she think she is? Look, Tracy, you see Rest?
Yes.
Rest is my man.
Of course.
And nobody can take him away from me. Not even that stupid cheap whore. Not even her. I can't wait for her to go down.
Rest is yours forever. I like your guts, girl. I like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, my girl.
Please, I'm not in the mood.
I am so happy for you.
It's a dangerous game.
Come on back from
No be you that they make you come on back from me.
my friend, come on back.
I think what is that yellow papa?
Which kind of question be that? How you go dey ask me? What is she dey find? How you want make I take answer you now? Go inside there, go ask madam now. Don't dey ask me nonsense question.
If you dey talk to me, no say na me supposed to give respect for this. May I not just beat you.
I just come on here also. Come out here. How you go dey ask me that kind of question? Come on back from madam. I'm a boy.
Olodo. English, you know sabi speak. Come on back from madam. Come on, madam from back. I go back to my sleep. I dey compose one better music before they come wake me up. Oh, this my dream now. How I go take go back?